Hello everyone, this is Sumit and welcome to GSS Academy. On the behalf of GSS Academy, I would like to welcome on our YouTube channel. And if I'm talking about what about this particular video, okay, in this particular video, I want to explain about of our courses, what we are offering, what about the faculty member, what about the fee structure, what about the previous GATE results or previous CSIR NET result and GSI results, okay, and what about our mission and vision. So these all information I would like to inform in this particular video. So let's start. If I'm talking about GSS Academy visions, GSS Academy vision is means to provide a platform and a basic a strong foundation to building and inspire students to complete, perform and achieve in national level entrance examination. Okay, and if I'm talking about our mission is to develop analytical skills and some lateral thinking so that a student can perform in their examination within very given time. Okay, so now let's start about some previous GATE results or some more information about the fee structure and courses we are providing. Okay, this is Geoscience Success Academy, and Geoscience Success Academy provide coaching for GATE, NET, GSI and JAM. And Geoscience Success Academy started by some IITians which has a 9-year experience, and we are providing online and offline courses for geology student which is starting from the 8th March, and we are also providing some online courses for GATE, NET and GSI in geophysics. Please notice that is in geophysics, and we are starting from this year online courses for geophysics which is starting from June 2021. Okay, so if I'm talking about my faculty member, so some faculty member are pass out from BHU, and some faculty member pass out from IIT Roorkee, ISM Dhanbad, and some faculty member are qualified in CSIR NET, AIR 20, AIR 23, AIR 64 and AIR 8, and some faculty member are qualified GATE in good rank, and some faculty member qualified UPSC GSI AIR 1. Okay, we have launched our booklet, and this booklet we are providing to my offline classes student, and if any student take online courses from our academy, so we will dispatch this booklet from our academy by the courier, and you will get this booklet at your home. Okay, in this booklet we take some all previous questions from GSI, UPSC and geophysics and geology and examination, and we also some perform the questions and compile some questions, and we add in this particular booklet. Okay, so this booklet really will help a lot, because you don't need to go anywhere and see the questions separately. Every question, so lot of questions we compile in this particular booklet, and that we are providing. Now let's talk about some results. Okay, so you can see this is our results. Congratulations first of all for clearing CSIR NET 2020, and really this makes us proud. Okay, talking about some classroom results, so you can see some results is AIR 4 CSI 2019, AIR 5 JAM 2020, AIR 6 NET 2019, AIR 32 GATE 2020. Okay, and some selection is also in Oil India Limited. Okay, and total 8 students selected in UPSC GSI 2019, and total 80 students qualified GATE 2020, and total 20 students qualified IIT JAM 2020, and if I'm talking about the CSIR NET, 23 students qualified CSIR NET. So this is our classroom, and this is our institute, and which is situated in hilly area which is in Dehradun, and you can see our classroom. Okay, and many students you can see in our classroom, and we are also providing some scholarship on the basis of test which is conducted by weekly or monthly basis. Also having GSS annual tour function, we will just all the students gathered in our academy, and we will visit in some hilly areas. Okay, if I'm talking about some festivals, my dear, okay, festival, so we also celebrate festival, because some student cannot go at home, and so that we can celebrate for him, and we makes feel good, because they are far away from their family. Okay, and we also having some annual day function. In annual day function, we just celebrate, and we will provide a dinner and lunch like thing. Okay, and we will do this kind of thing also. Okay, now what courses we are providing? Okay, so geology geology, if I'm talking about the geology courses, you can see we are providing courses for GATE for geology student. We are covering in GATE for geology student, so that will be your geology, geophysics, geochemistry and general aptitude. Okay, and if I'm talking about my CSIR net for geology students, so we will provide, and what the topic cover in this particular CSIR net for geology student, that will be your geology, geophysics, geochemistry and oceanography and climatology and general aptitude. And if I'm talking about UPSC GSI geoscientist examination for geology student especially, so what the topic cover in this particular course, we will cover geology, geophysics, geochemistry and general studies. Okay, so these kind of the course we are providing for geology student. Okay, now let's talk about some geophysics courses, okay, which we are providing from this year. For geophysics, we are covering GATE, CSIR net and UPSC GSI geophysicist. Okay, for GATE, what we are providing, which topic cover in the GATE syllabus for geophysics student, especially listen me carefully, for geophysics student. Okay, so in GATE the topic cover geophysics and common section will be geology, that also we are covering, and general aptitude. Okay, if I'm talking about the CSIR net, so what kind of the topics, what kind of the subject we are covering for geophysics student, so geophysics and basic geology, geochemistry, oceanography and climatology and general aptitude. Okay, and if I'm talking about the UPSC GSI geophysicist examination, okay, for geophysics student, okay, both geophysics and physics candidate, please listen me carefully, this course is for geophysics and physics candidate, and the topics cover here the basic geology first, because some student is physics background, so we will give the basic idea for the geology first, then we will give the basic idea for geophysics. Okay, so that they will get the better idea. Why? Because I'm telling you, because the physics student comes from the physics background. Okay, they know about the physics but they don't know about the geology. Okay, so first we will go for the geology, then we will give the basic idea about the geology, then they can apply that physics rule in your earth or geology background. So first we will complete geology, then geophysics and general study we are providing here. Okay my dear, chaliye next. If I'm talking about the offline program, okay, offline program, there will be regular 3 to 4 hour classes will be there by the IITians or our faculties. Okay, or you can say the 5 days in a week. Okay, the class will be 5 days in a week. Okay, and the 2 subjects will not in parallel. Okay, we have to run the 2 subjects in simultaneously. Okay, if you miss the class, we are providing some video lecture series, so that your losses will not be there. Okay, you will get the good result. Okay, and numerical and theoretical based assignment exercise book we are also providing. Okay, that I have shown you in my previous slides. Okay, and the topic wise weekly test will be there, offline as well as online classes, and accommodation also we are providing. If you are taking the class for offline, if you are taking the class for online, so for both classes you have to take online test series. Okay, online test. Okay, we are conducting online test for both kind of student, either you are from online, either you are from offline. Okay, chaliye. Now if I'm talking about the online program, okay, an online program generally takes who is the professional who is working in any company and who is pursuing in their courses, like he is a college student. Okay, actually क्या होता है ना कि it will be difficult to attend colleges and coaching in the same day, and it will be your hectic schedule. Okay, it will be your hectic schedule. So in this case we are providing online classes. In online classes we are providing 2 to 3 hour recorded HD quality video lecture series, and numerical and theoretical based assignment book we will dispatch from our academy, and you will get by that particular notes or content and books by the courier, and you will get in your home. Okay, and topic wise test you have to submit, like we have complete a particular topic, and weekly basis we are conducting for online as well as offline student a test. Okay, and you have to take the test and you have to measure yourself, your study is proper or not. Okay, so it means what? Ki we are conducting proper test for online student, means we also focus your study, means either you are sitting at your home but we are monitoring you ki your study is what level. Okay, and we are guiding properly by phone, by call. Okay, and if you feel any kind of doubt, you can ask to the faculty member. We will provide the contact number of our faculty. Okay, so don't worry for online student ki if you are any kind of doubt, so we are not entertain you. Definitely we will entertain you. We are providing our contact number of our all faculty, and whatever the doubt you are having, you can ask by WhatsApp. Okay, by our app also. Okay, so daily basis we will complete all the doubts of our all student. Okay, no problem. Chaliye. Now, if I'm talking about my tuition fees and hostel fees, okay, so you can see the fee structure here. You can see the fee structure here, and tuition fees for offline batches and tuition fees for online batches. This is tuition fees for offline batches. This is tuition fees of online batches. Okay, so you can see the fee structure and which courses you want to avail. You can take, and you can take the fees for that corresponding that particular courses. Okay, and you can submit your fees in 2 installment. Okay, and you can see there is also written the installment process. And if you want to take the hostel facility, because some students come from outside and they don't know about the Dehradun. Okay, and we will provide the hostel facility also. Okay, and the fee structure of hostel is like 7,000 per month, including 3 times of foods. Okay, so if you feel any kind of doubt on the fee structure or any kind of queries of all the courses, results, or any query you are having, so you can call us and you can mail us, and we will definitely make it solve. Now you will say, sir, why join GSS Academy? Okay, no problem. You can see the charts, you can see the table here, and I'm explaining. GSS Academy is a pioneer academy running from 2013, which is the first. Okay, and the best faculty we are providing, best environment for study we are providing, and the best result we are providing, as you seen in our previous slides. Okay, and if I'm talking about, we are complete the timely syllabus, which is very, very important. Otherwise student will not get the time for revision, which is not the good thing. Okay, so we are complete the syllabus within time, so that the student get the time for revision, and which is very, very important, because the revision is a finishing part of your preparation, so that your result will be very, very good. Okay, and if I'm talking about we also conducting monthly test or monthly test or weekly test for self assessment, so that the student can get the where I am doing lagging. Okay, and the student can finish that particular thing, so that he can secure a good rank in the actual examination. Okay, and you can see as I told you about my result in 7 year, from the last 7 year we are getting very, very good result. Okay, and if you will see in my previous slide, so you will see in some previous year we are getting below the 10 AIR rank lot of student. Okay, so this is all about GSS Academy. I think you are having the knowledge and basic idea about the result of our GSS Academy, about the fee structure of GSS Academy, and about the classes and courses we are providing. Okay, and what about the mission, what about the vision, and what about the faculties member. Okay, so everything basic idea you are getting now. So if you are having any kind of doubt, any kind of query, okay, you can ask anytime. Thank you very much.